This morning I'm going to be unboxing a new Oklahoma Joe's Bronco Pro. I know there's been a lot of other videos of people unboxing the Bronco Pro, but this one, it could be very different. And not in a good way. After a long day at work, I was notified that my new smoker had come in. So I hooked the trailer up to the Subaru, went down to Home Depot to pick it up, and this is what I got. So is it damaged? I don't know. I'm about ready to find out. This has been sitting on my trailer for 6 days now. It may have been hit by a forklift. It may have fell off a truck, but peeking in and looking, I didn't see any damage. Let's get this unpacked. It's been on the trailer for a week. Okay, I'm looking at the box, and it's obviously been damaged in some sort of shipping incident and put back into the box, because this foam was shoved under here like this. So it means they repackaged it, because that's not how they do it in the manufacturer's plant. Also, when you pick the box up like this, you see how it's all been reinforced, Mickey Mouse taped and everything, and there's even water damage here in the corner, which tells me that it fell out of the box. They appear to have all the parts, and most importantly, the how to put it together manual, and I did notice damage on the kettle. Is it usable? Yes, of course. Is it brand new and I paid brand new price? I believe so. So I'm gonna stop putting it together right now. I'm gonna get a hold of Home Depot and talk to them and see how they can. So I talked to Home Depot, our local branch, and told them about my situation and everything. And they said, just return it and we'll order another one. They checked. They're in stock, so I could have one by next week. Then I asked them, well, suppose I just ate the damage, and could I get a discount or money back? Something knocked off the price of that, because I was considering it. And they said somewhere between $50 and $100, but suggested that I call HomeDepot.com's phone number, the main branch, and see what they could do. And they said $80, you know. And I took pictures of it, sent them to my wife, sent them to my son, asked their opinions, and the consensus is take it back. So the return policy at Home Depot is good. I had 90 days to do it. I've only had it for 6 days. I'm going to have to figure out a way to pack it all back up and go get a new